How to use Mureka AI. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Mureka AI. So it is basically a music generation AI that helps you create songs using the lyrics you provide, or even they can generate their own lyrics for you. So let's see how you can use that. First of all, you gotta head over to any of the search engine, go to the search bar and search for Mureka AI. Press enter and this is the website. So you gotta click on this one that says www.mureka.ai. So simply click on that and you will be redirected to an interface like this. So they're going to give you a step-by-step guide. So it says step 1, write lyrics here. So you can enter the song title and type down the lyrics and make your music idea real. So you can select whether you can give them a reference, such as create songs inspired by a reference track. Like if you have any reference track and you want the song to be according to that reference tag, be it your own audio or any other audio, but be aware of copyright. You shouldn't be using anyone's copyrighted music or you can get sued for that. And then we have local, sing your song with any voice you like. You can sing any song and then you can extend that song in order to create a song out of it. And then you can add description, describe the music style you're aiming for. And then you can also get melody ideas, which is in the pro plan, record a melody idea to kickstart your song. So then click on continue, and then they say create your song, that you can enter the song title and click write about. And after that you can enter lyrics, and once done you'll be able to see your credits over here. So you have 2 credits by default, but if you have pro account you can have many other credits. Now first step is write lyrics, enter song title and click write about to generate lyrics. For example, let's just write the song title such as Golden Horizon. Okay, so I'm gonna type this down and then you're gonna click on this. You can also enter the lyrics by yourself, but if you're not having any lyrics and you want the AI to generate them, you can simply click on write about Golden Horizon and you'll be able to see that it is loading, and shortly after that they have created the lyrics for you. So you can give these a read. In dawn's early light I rise and shine, golden rays touch white. Now you can literally give it a read, and if you don't like any of the lines you can simply cut them and edit them in order to specify your needs. And over here there is an option that says lyric section labels. So if you wish to label such as verse, pre-chorus, intro, chorus, break, bridge, outro, you can do that. And then we have that is write next line if you wish to write any other line. So if you wish to add any other line over here, for example, I want a line to be added over here. So I'm going to click on write next line and they're going to generate a next line for me. And over here, finish these lyrics. So I'm going to click over here and then click on finish these lyrics, and then they're going to generate an outro for me like this. That is over here you can see that this is an outro chorus. And once done you can simply click on create, and before that you can select which type of vocal you want. For example, I'm going to click on this over here and you can add the music style. For example, I'm going to click on disco, folk, funk, and also with a bit of country, and click on done. And once you do so, you can simply click on create and you can log in with your account. So I'm going to log in with my account that is over here and then click on continue. So once you do so, you'll be redirected to your account and you have successfully created an account. And here you can see that the credit has been dropped to 0 because I can only use 2 credits at a time, and these were my free credits. If you wish to have more credits, you gotta have the premium account. So you're gonna create a song from one line. If you wish to, you can click on basic and you can select which type you want. For example, you want to use Mureka 01, Mureka V6 that uses 2 credits, 2 per songs, Mureka V5.5 that uses 2 credits, 2 per song. And now here you can see that they give 2 outputs. That means they will generate 2 resultant audios for you to listen, and you can choose whichever you like. For example, let us listen to the first one once it's get loaded. So let us just play this one over here. So let us just play and listen to it.
I rise and I shine, golden rays stretch wide like hope's golden horizon.
Okay, so this was the first one, and you can see that it used the model V6 V1. That V1 means version 1, and it is using Mureka V6. Now let us listen to the second one. So let me just click on it, and then I'm gonna play it. Okay, that was cool. I think I like the second one more. So if you wish to, subscribe to the pro version, you get priority generation queue, 10 running jobs at once, and you can get also download the video and audio. So you can simply subscribe to that. And over here at the left side, you'll be able to see your home page. That is all of the songs that you have created, and also one of the best song over here right now are a list of best songs that have been generated and posted to Mureka. And you can also create similar from that, like you can get inspired from these songs, and you can click on create similar and give them your idea of lyrics, and this AI will generate the song for you. And then you're going to click on create over here, and then you can create your song, or you can also generate instrumental. And then you're going to click on library over here, and you'll be able to see all of the songs that you have generated. And if you wish to like them, you can simply like them, or you can copy the song lyrics, copy the song link, and send it to anyone you want. And then you can click on publish. So you can basically, if you have bulks of songs over here, so you can favorite the ones that you like, and then you can go to the like section, and you'll be able to see them over here. And then you're going to click on liked songs over here if you wish to view your liked songs. And after that, you're going to click on subscribe. Now this is basically the plans for you. One is yearly plan and the other is monthly plan. You can see my credits is 0 right now. The basic plan is $8 per month, and it is billed annually. That is $96. You can subscribe to that. You will get 400 credits per month. That is 400 songs. Commercial license for the song. Download MP3 priority generation queue, 10 running jobs at once. And the pro plan includes $24 per month, and it is 1600 credits per month commercial license for the song. Download MP3 instrumental priority generation queue, 10 running jobs at once. You can also generate an AI-based video and download that, and it includes new beta features privilege such as melody ideas, upload audios or YouTube link as reference. Any voice can be singer of your AI music, and you can have region editing and extend for generation song. And you can see that it has checkout for extra 800 credits, and it's going to end in 14 minutes. And over here, you'll be able to see all of your credits, and you'll be able to see all of the history of credits that where you have used the credits. And then you can simply, cross it, and then you can view invites for free credits. So you can invite your friends to this AI website, and you can get credits for that. And you can also check what's new about this platform. And then you can simply head over and create an account on Mureka AI. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.